You got ear protection on?
No, I don't know my earmuffs right there. Easy fine, easy fine.
Got my ear protection on. Got my grinder. Gonna start cutting on the trunk.
Hey, where's my Sawzall? Oh, there it is.
This isn't gonna work.
Why?
You're not gonna have enough cord to go up there. Here, you cut across the back.
What?
You cut across the back.
Why?
Because we don't have enough cord to go any all
Wait.
So you're gonna have to cut it kind of like right down the middle here.
What?
Down the middle. So you missed this, but down the middle. You gotta miss these because your frame's right there. Watch your eyes. What was that? Did it go through?
I don't know.
Why did this piece of... Oh.
There's a frame right there. I can't get in there. It goes in there that far.
Well, can't you go in and miss the frame?
The frame is right there. That's where I put my thing in, is right there.
Where's your eye protection?
I don't know.
Dude, this thing throws chunks of rust like a mofo. Like, danger! That and it hops out and just goes boom, 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 boom. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Well, you better like it.
I don't like it. That's it. I'm going in the truck.
What the heck are you doing?
Wow!
Wow! Hey, Dad. Dad, where you cut the sides like that, it's hitting a frame bar, that thing that goes like that. Like it's directly in the middle of it. Like that is all the farther the blade will go in.
Well, that's all the further you really need it to go in as long as it's not coming out.
Do what? Let's do this. There's no way you can do that.
Is it part of the body?
No. Like the frame has a bar that runs right across there and it's like directly in the middle of it.
vacuum it up. Are you sure that's not part of the body?
Look under there when you have it on there.
I'm going to move that line a little bit.
In my hat.
You want to grab a camera and kind of put it in here so you can see what the heck's going on? Just run it with your hand and point it where it can actually see what's going on. Double tap on the screen and it'll zoom in. You'll get a light from the other. The body's already fallen down. We're gonna have to support it.
Yeah, when we're done now. Okay, you gotta do on that side. But then we gotta get it all ready where we can hold it up. Where are we gonna hold it at?
I think I'll roost it out.
Mm-hmm.
But if I cut this side, then it's gonna go.
What do you mean cut that side?
If I cut that, where the whole back is loose.
No, like I mean when you're cutting that, I want to get the engine hoist in here, and then when you're like almost ready, done.
Yeah, crack.
Yeah, it's a little roosted out. Can't just get the engine hoist
that?
ready.
Show them the crack.
There's a crack. A crack.
This thing does not work with two people.
I know, it's like, which one do I do?
You walk in front of it.
Get the engine hoist set up so it doesn't go.
I don't think it'll just go.
Okay,
You might try to, but I don't think it will. Unless it's so rusty everywhere that it does. About the fuel fill. How are we going to miss that?
If you do it with your diamond blade thing, you'll miss it.
How so?
It has like that much room between it.
If I keep it pretty shallow?
Yeah. That was not very nice of you. You started sawzalling when I was under there looking at the thing. And just freaking rust went down all over me.
Want to vacuum that?
Sure. Here, hold this.
I don't have to breathe
Get
all
some
over.
vacuuming action.
I don't have to breathe. That's the fuel fill from the body anyway, otherwise it's going to be.
Yeah, but we'll do that one. Like a little bit.
Here you go.
Why do you do that?
So I know which way it's throwing the sparks. So I don't have to take a mouth or a face full of sparks. Gotta get the light up here so I can see. Don't ruin my lens. Don't ruin the lens of the camera by putting it right in the spark.
Hold back in is loose? Yeah, I'd say
I
so.
don't have that cut yet.
Cut it.
This thing's gonna overheat. Is that all cut yet?
No. Whoa. You need to get that out of there.
What?
Well, that little cut right there.
Okay, I think I need to go from there, but I went there. So, should I just finish cutting that one down?
Yeah. Is it all loose?
Hook your engine hoist to it and see.